about $1 million in just 1 year's time simply by creating content. That's it. Now, if you want to start an online business or you're just trying to start bringing in some extra money from home, there are many different types of business models that you may be looking at. But if you want to create time freedom where you're not connected to your computer or your phone 24/7, where you're free to go on vacations, to focus on your family without seeing an immediate drop in your income, then affiliate marketing is likely to be the best option for you. So in this video, I'm going to break down for you the 7 reasons why so that you can make a wise decision for yourself. Hey, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and if this is the very first time you're finding us here at our channel, we are here to help you, online entrepreneurs, create the time freedom that you and your family truly deserve. So if that is what you're looking for, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Now, in order to really appreciate the opportunity of an affiliate marketing business where you simply are referring people to purchase someone else's product and the amount of freedom that that can provide you, let me tell you a little story about our previous year.
All right, tell me about it.
Now, while Todd and I have been doing affiliate marketing for years, we also offer our own digital products, membership sites, mentorship, and more. Now, last year was a very big year for us. We ended the year right at about the $1 million mark, which, I mean, honestly, that's awesome, but it was really super stressful and lots of hard work. A good chunk of that came from selling our own digital products, which means that we were dealing with hundreds and hundreds of new customers, which means lots and lots of customer support.
I've never seen so many customers.
From questions and issues with logging in, general support issues, and then even refund requests. Todd was frantically doing customer support all day long and was still behind. It was so stressful that we actually ended up turning off the ads that were selling our digital products.
You did what?
So that we could have some time to get a few people trained up to help us out with it. Imagine bringing in hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, reaching an income goal that you'd previously only dreamed about, only to have to put on the brakes to deal with hiring staff. It kind of sucked.
Just when you think it can't suck anymore, it does.
Now, at the same time that we were going through this, a good friend of ours was focused solely on affiliate marketing. He found a great high-ticket affiliate program that converted well. He made the same, just about $1 million as well, and all he did was create content. That's it. He just created YouTube videos that drove traffic to that offer. No customer service, no delivering a product, no refunds. None of that huge headache. He simply drove traffic through content. He was able to get all of his work done in just a couple hours a day, and he was raking in the dough.
It is a winner! And it is so much money!
We had to drive traffic to our offer, plus do all of the rest of it as well, which took up way too much time, more time than the hours we had available. Now, hopefully that story was enlightening as to the earning power and the leverage and time freedom available with affiliate marketing.
And at last I see the light.
So let's get into the details. Number 7, you are not managing a team. The business model is very simple with affiliate marketing. You don't have to build a team. Compare that to something like network marketing, where you're always training, motivating, and supporting a team, or where you're doing your own digital products and need to hire staff to help with the workload. Now, personally, I was a manager at one time in the corporate world, and it all too often felt like babysitting a bunch of grown-up kids.
What do you think? I think this babysitting gig sucks.
It's not my idea of fun, and it's not the type of lifestyle that I would choose or recommend. Number 6, with affiliate marketing, you are free to promote whatever offers you want. With other types of business models, especially with direct sales, the companies you partner with can really tie your hands and prevent you from promoting other offers from different companies. With affiliate marketing, you are free to promote whatever you feel like promoting.
Really? Nah, you can do whatever you want.
Whatever will help serve your audience best, putting you in control and allowing you to have income coming in from multiple places, which can provide more financial security for you and your family. Number 5, no customer service. A huge benefit of affiliate marketing is the fact that you are simply referring your audience to purchase someone else's product while you get a cut of the commissions. This means that you are not involved in any way with customer service.
That's fantastic.
Any customer service issues get handled by the person or the company that's actually selling the product and delivering that product. If time freedom is a big goal for you, then this is a big, big win.
So you guys think you got a winner there, huh? That's right.
Number 4, simply focus on driving traffic. When you're starting an online business, there's almost infinite things for you to learn. How to write sales copy, how to create content, how to create a follow-up series, and on and on and on. But when you are focused only on affiliate marketing, you simply focus on driving traffic. Now, when you're working with a great affiliate offer, whoever you're referring them to, that program, they're gonna do all the rest of it for you. So that means that they will do the follow-up and they'll do the selling for you. You only really need to focus on traffic. And believe you me, that's plenty for you to learn when you're first getting started.
Intriguing. Tell me more.
Instead of having to master several new skills before you start seeing sales and money coming in, you can focus on mastering just one: traffic. Yay! Number 3, content marketing. You can create evergreen content through YouTube videos, through blog posts, or whatever that bring you leads, builds your email list, and introduce your people, your audience to your affiliate offers so that you can make sales 24/7, whether you're working or not. Affiliate marketing is a great business model to use with content marketing.
No, but how is that possible?
Really?
Because with affiliate marketing, you are simply offering your audience a solution to their problem. It's not something like network marketing where they are joining a team and there's a big emotional commitment that requires a phone conversation.
Phone calls. You gotta call some people.
Instead, they can easily make their purchasing decision fully online in an automated fashion so that you can focus on serving your audience by creating content that leads them to an offer.
If you would do me the honor of letting me lead you through this.
This type of marketing is awesome because it's like you're creating a bunch of online pieces of real estate with every piece of content that you create. So the more content you create over time, the better. The easier it is for you to continue to grow. Number 2, email marketing. Email marketing is where you are building a list of people who are likely to be interested in your offer, and you can continue to market to them over time through email. This is a very powerful marketing method, and it's one of the few things that you personally own in this digital social media world. And email marketing goes hand in hand with affiliate marketing.
That's exciting news.
You can easily build an email list that you provide great value to, and then from time to time, you sprinkle in a little chance to take a look at one of your affiliate offers as a way to solve a problem or overcome a challenge they're facing.
I can do that.
Email marketing is very leveraged in terms of time. It can also be very lucrative, bringing in lots of sales and allowing you to create return customers who continue to buy from you time and time again, and then folks that just really turn into raving fans buying everything you have. And finally, the number 1 reason that affiliate marketing rocks is that you're able to start making money much more quickly, not having to create your own product first. Imagine starting your own business only to wait several months before you could even have an offer that you can provide people.
That sounds lame, but it's the truth.
So you have no chance of making money right away. Instead, with affiliate marketing, you can have a great offer ready to go on day 1, allowing you to make money much faster. On top of this, you're also setting yourself up nicely to be able to create your own digital products down the road when you're ready.
Well, yeah, I could buy that, sure, I guess.
Everything that you're doing to create and build your affiliate marketing business, building an audience, creating content, building an email list, will put you in a great spot to sell your own products later on. You'll have an active and engaged audience that already knows, likes, and trusts you. Folks who will be lining up to purchase your product when you first launch it. So the first personal product that you start selling, it's gonna be much more successful.
I like the sound of that.
Are you likely to make money equally from any affiliate marketing program? No, absolutely not. I can't tell you how many people I've run into who said they were trying to do affiliate marketing for free, referring people to things they hadn't purchased themselves and just found on ClickBank or JVZoo, and they weren't making any money with it. Shock.
That's shocking.
You need to find really good programs that are put together well with great marketing and truly provides a great product or service for your audience. Now, there are actually several key things you need to look for when evaluating affiliate marketing programs if you want to create full-time income as quickly as possible. So I put together a video that lays all this out for you, not only what will make you the most money, but it will also teach you what you need to look for to create a stable and safe affiliate marketing business. So at the top right corner of your screen, or as a top link in the description, you will see that video. Click on it and watch that one next. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'll see you soon.